Hi friends, thanks for being back on my channel. If you like my video, then please do subscribe and share. Moreover, press the notification bell for more videos. Well, today's topic is about dye hair serum with methi seeds, rose water, aloe vera, MSM powder. So for making it, take the methi seeds and soak it overnight in a glass of water, and the next morning grind it and take out the juice or the seeds, because this will be the main base for making the hair serum. So for making it, why we soaking the methi seeds? Because soaking the methi seeds will gives us a milky texture, and that milky texture will definitely rid of the dry scalp. If we are facing the problem of dry scalp, then definitely we can go with the soaked methi seeds. Soaked methi seeds will definitely gives a milky texture. That texture definitely benefits our scalp in nourishment and in healing way. We completely strained the methi seeds juice. Next we are going to ingredients, what we going to add in it. So let's get into the making. Take the juice and take the first ingredient of our dye hair serum is MSM powder. We can get this MSM powder in local stores or else online stores also. Online stores are very easy to get it rather than these local stores. So take 1 spoonful of MSM powder, because this will act as a preservative of our hair serum. And after that, take the aloe vera gel. Go for natural one or else branded one. Branded one will be very easy rather than natural one, because branded one will be having the preservatives in it already. So that's the reason we will be going to the branded one. So take the 2 spoons of aloe vera gel and whisk it completely. And after that, we are taking rose water, and rose water will be benefiting our hair in moisturizing, in refreshing, in helping our dryness. So we're taking the rose water in it for the refresh feeling of our scalp. And then finally we're going with the last ingredient, that is essential oil. Sorry for not mentioning this essential oil at the first. This is eucalyptus oil. I'm using this for the dryness feeling of the scalp. You can go with any essential oil of your choice if you don't have the dryness feeling. Take 10 drops of the eucalyptus oil and whisk it completely. So that our dye hair serum will get ready. So I'm taking one empty bottle for using this as hair dye serum. You can use this hair serum after the hair wash. Thanks for watching my video. Bye bye.